Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the feature within ServiceTitan called Technician Shifts. And basically in this video, we're just going to be going over an overview of the feature, what it does, and kind of how it can benefit your team. And then in future videos, we'll be going over how to add shifts in bulk and what the different types of shifts are, as well as deleting those shifts. So basically what Technician Shifts is that it is a schedule tracking tool. And basically what it allows you to do is separate out where the actual schedule for the technician lives, not the jobs, but the schedule from the dispatch board. And so basically how that works is over here on the schedule tab, you will actually see, if you have this feature activated, you'll see this thing called Technician Shifts. And basically what this allows you to do is block off time where technicians are supposed to be working and when they're supposed to be on call and when they are off. And basically, so admins can basically come in here and add in shifts for each of your technicians, and those shifts are communicated on the dispatch board. And so what this allows you to do is very visually communicate to your dispatchers as an admin when a technician should be working, when they're off, and when they're on call. And some of the benefits of that include, like for the off shifts, instead of using a non-job timesheet, if a person does not have permission to actually look into a shift, they won't actually see why the technician is off, which could be very beneficial on an HR perspective. In addition to that, they'll be able to see via this orange line which technicians are on call. And so if a dispatcher needs to schedule a job, they'll know who's on call and who isn't. And so that is basically how this feature will look and appear to your dispatchers.